Guys, and you guys can see here something pretty cool. I'm actually flying my Tello in a rain. Is it possible? Well, we're gonna check it out. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And then you guys can see here it's raining right now, and we're gonna go from here. And it's on. See, and then we're gonna go ahead and connect. Now it's gonna be recording, and let's see if it's gonna go up. And here you go. See, so it's slippery, so I would not recommend you to doing it, but we're gonna see how it works. So you can see the Tello. It's actually recording, so you guys can see it right here. And then we're gonna do flight mode, and let's go. Give me just a second. Up and away. That's how it works. And you can see it's working. Wow. It's awesome. And let's go back. And then let's go over here. And okay, let's stop it. Just gonna go circles. So now it's doing circles. You guys can see here. So we're in the rain. It's getting into the frame. You can see. Look how wet it is. Wow, amazing how it works. Now, sorry guys, have to do this here. And now we're gonna go take some photos. And it works. There you go. Oops, sorry. You can see how the transmitter here. And let's go ahead and take some photos. Pretty cool shots. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and back it up. So even though in the rain, it still does it. So I'm pretty much back up right now, and still do a photo here, and then we're gonna go ahead and then we're gonna go ahead and do the video. So it's awesome. Let's go ahead and so if you guys see this, it's pretty awesome how the drone see us. And take a picture again. That water fountain over there. So it's cool what we can do. So now we can go ahead and take pictures if you want to. So you can practice your photography on this thing, and you can take some shots, and then you can go up. It's even better when you go up. So we're about like how many feet right now? We're at 3.7 meter up height. So Take picture. Oh, blue signal up there. So it's not bad, man. I mean, it's... Here you go. And come back. $400. This is a game changer. Even the passable mobile too, you know, so you can go ahead and do some shots. Oh, there's some nice view over here. Some cool picture. Okay. So yeah. Let me put my sunglasses. Well. So it worked, guys. So right now it's wet. So you guys can see how wet Tello is. But let me tell you something. You're not gonna have a problem with this guy here. The only thing you're gonna have a problem is your screen, because it's wet. But it's really sensitive. So it's a good thing there, DJI did that. And like I said, I don't even use the transmitter for it. So because everything is precision with a controller. So it's cool. Even though in the rain, it flies. So let's go ahead and make a cool video. See, look at that. Cool video. So it's not a pretty condition, and then right now it's kind of dark, so hopefully our video is gonna look nice. But anyway, now we're coming back. And you guys can see, and I still have 53% battery, so it's good. So anyway, yeah, hopefully the updates on this is probably gonna fix up the lighting, and you know, they optimize the sensor. So yeah, I'm flying it out, no problem. You guys can see here. It's better if I do that. And then if I go ahead and put in a sport fasts, it become a whole nother beast. Look at that thing go. Wow, wow, pretty cool. So 50%. I don't know if I can still do a flip. I don't know, we'll see. You probably won't even do it. Let's see if we can. He probably won't. See, he won't do it no more. So it's good. Now you guys can see. How Tello. That's it for you guys. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. So thanks, subscribe. Amazing.